Hello, good day, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Adepoju. Thank you for always dropping by. Today, I'm going to be taking you through all the tools in the Canva designing website. From the last video, maybe you have watched, I told you I like to stay on web instead of downloading the app. So I'm going to be showing you the tools one by one and what they are used for. So follow me through. So I click on my Chrome and I go to my canva.com and it takes me directly to my Canva. So this is my Canva app and I have some basic designs here. Now, the first thing I want you to note is the three dots by the left hand side by the top. So let's click on the three dots and see. This is a place that brings you the menu of all you have in Canva. Like personally, the first thing you see here is my name, Daniel Adepoju, which is my personal account. But aside this, I share space with two teams. So I can either switch to the High Profit Space 3 or the RCCG Miracle Center Sokoto team. Those are the teams I belong to. I can get the Canva app or refer my friend, or I can also create a team here or sign out, which I'm not doing any of them. So these are the other things you can also work on. You can create a team, you can trash, you can discover apps, you can use the content planner, the brand hub, the smart mockups. Those are the basic things you find on the side. So let's go to the next one. Now, you can also search for what you want on Canva. You can search for so there are a lot of things you can search for. Search for anything on happy birthday, search for anything on content creation, search for anything relating to anything official. Maybe you want to search for code of conduct for workers, you want to search for Instagram story, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail. You can search for it there. You can search for it there and choose whatever you want to search for. That's the next thing. So they gave us different options here up here, from documents to mobile video. You can also use Canva for video, for your story, for your Instagram post, for your Instagram story, your presentation, A4 document, poster, infographic. You can use it for flyer, for Facebook post, for photo collage. That's having the photo in like 3 or 4 different photos or the same photo in 4 places. You can use it for logo, for invoice, for Facebook cover photo, for planner, for video, for resume, for banner, for book cover, for phone wallpaper, for letterhead, for invitation. And in all these things, they are going to be giving you templates. So I have my recent designs, which are my own designs here, and they will give you more options as you scroll down here. Now, down here by the toolbar down, you have the home, you have the projects. Under project is where you find everything you have done before. You have the plus sign, which means create. That means you want to create something new. Then we have the template. Then you have the switching to Canva Pro. You have the switching to Canva Pro. If you click on template here, it brings you out thousands and thousands and thousands of templates you can use for whatever you want to do. You can use for whatever you want to do. The next thing we are going to be checking is the script. So you can click on plus and create a custom size, or you can use it to edit a photo, or you can use it to create anything out of everything you have seen here. Everything you have seen here. Everything you have seen here. Let's take for example, you want to create a Facebook post, or let's say you want to create an Instagram story. So let's just use the Facebook post. Once we click on it, it takes us directly to a blank Canva, and immediately it takes us there. It pops us for us and begin to give us suggestion on templates we can use, and also it gives us styles we can use. That's in coloring, in grading, and a lot of them. But I prefer to go with a template. So you can click on a template and use the template. So I can click on this template. Let me say I want to use it. Once I click on it, it brings us here and brings the thing for us real good. Another thing is, let's go back to the plus. The plus will bring us back here to the template and the style. So the next thing you have is what? Elements. Now, elements are factors you can put into your design to make them beautiful. Everything you see in that design That's this design here is an element from all these places that you saw Canva, the blue thing that looks like an arrow, that are more like a trapezium, and like that, they are all comprised of elements. Even the thing the picture is came from this element. So you can search for an element you want to use and click on it. Maybe it's a frame, maybe it's a table, maybe it's whatever it might be. You search for it and you use it. You search for it and you use it. You see a lot of things here: location, bunny hairs. You have a lot of things to use. You have a lot of things. These are the ones that I've recently used in time past, and I see them here. But aside this recently use, you have a lot to use there. So the next thing we want to check out is a brand up. But brand up is only available on Canva Pro. It's only available for Canva Pro. So the next thing we want to go to is our uploads. Now, one of the luxury Canva has is the fact that you can upload plenty pictures on it. You can upload your pictures and make do with it on Canva. So if I want my picture in that place, so what I want to do is to bring this down, click on the picture, and I click on replace. Immediately it brings me here. And once it brings me here, I can click on any picture I have here to replace it. Once I click it, it brings it there automatically. So let's go back and see our upload. So how do you upload? There are three basic things you can upload. You can upload your image, you can upload video, and you can upload audio. So what you want to click is upload file, and you click on device. You can also upload from your Drive, your Instagram, your Facebook, or from Dropbox. But most of the time, I upload from my device. And once I click on it, it takes me here, and you know the rest of the process. So that's all about upload. The next thing we want to go to is our text. So if you want to add additional text, or you want to remove a text, you want to bring in a new one, this is where you do it. And you can either add an heading, sub-heading, a little body, or you have font combinations that has been preset already, that has been preset already. So you can choose whatever and add it to it. So the next thing we have here is the draw icon. So once we click on the draw icon, we can use this to draw anything with the marker. I don't really use this, but if you want to use it, you can draw. You pick your pen and you draw. You pick the pen you want, you draw. And you can switch the colors here. Change the color to whatever you want to. And this is the eraser here. You can clean all the things you see here, clean them up, and remove them. So we have three pencils. You can change their color: the light, the thick, and the other broad one. Then you can replace them anytime you want. So that's all you need to know about the tools around Canva. So I really appreciate you for coming by this time around again, and also watching till the end. Please follow through and always implement. Thank you very much, and do have an amazing time.